a short tutorial on how to take a basic graphic t-shirt and make it a little more interesting by adding a 3D embossed texture. First, you'll need a bottle of embossed fabric paint, which you can pick up at any craft store or the craft section of a store like, say, a Walmart or a Kmart. I picked my bottle of paint up from Walmart for about $4. You'll also need your graphic t-shirt, of course, a steady hand for tracing the text in your design, and lots of patience. I recommend doing this project on a flat, hard surface to make sure your t-shirt remains taut and still while you're applying the fabric paint. Let's get started.